all the things that you are seeing over here. Okay, so most of the thing will be kind of recorded. So if you see over here in the application execution, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different kind of artifacts. And as I told, sans triage script in the cape is actually kind of extract, it will not extract all the artifacts, but at least the basic ones that you can quickly analyze. So it will do that triage in, like, let's say few minutes for any kind of host, and it will tell you, okay, and then if you investigate at least like those 4 files. So for an example, in this cheat sheet, to understand the files that were executed, there are 12 different kind of artifacts. But here what it is doing is that it is only kind of taking out 4 kind of artifacts, right? Prefetch, recent file cache, am cache, and sysmon cache. Okay, sysmon cache with tcap. And let's say if I go to this sysmon cap, cape, targets, compound, Windows, cache. So this is telling me that, okay, where that syscache.hve file is present. Okay, and if I go to the simcache over here, okay, it's something different. Okay. It is showcasing me the registry path actually. So this is a little bit different. Okay, so the thing is that it will not extract all the 12 artifacts for you. Give me 1 second. So it will not extract all the artifacts, 2 artifacts for you, but all the basics ones, which will be kind of okay. Instrument Linux C. Okay, it's already connected. But anyways, I'll try to figure out later. So let's close the program. So it will not extract all the artifacts as I told, only like let's say 4 of them from here. And this will kind of quickly give you an idea, okay, if there's anything suspicious or not. And if there's anything suspicious, then you and then it will, what it will do is that, then one you can do is that if you see definitely that, okay, there is something suspicious in only in the prefetch file itself, let's say there was evidence of malware executing. So what you do is that in that case, then you proceed further with doing, let's say, the full drive investigation and figure out. So this will be really, really useful for doing a quick test. Yeah, and just,
So if you don't mind, can I share my screen? So I have installed that software in my laptop.
okay, yeah, go on.
I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is now. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how actually the GUI would look like of the GCAP. Okay. And so is there any specific question on this one?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the thing is that like as you can see like how the GUI actually look like for the GCAP file. Okay, and I can kind of quickly explain from here also, like there are 2 sections if you see, target option and module option. And in the target option, what you can do is that you can quickly select like which target source, for example, which drive you want to kind of collect the artifacts from, for an example. Okay, and where you want, what I mean is that where you want to save that those collected artifacts, most probably that will come in the target destination. Okay, so maybe what you can do is that click on C drive where you're done, and maybe create a folder in the D drive. Okay, and just name it, yeah, just name it cape artifact, something like that. Yeah, artifact, yes. And yeah, correct. And just click OK. Yeah, that's done. Now there are few things, guys. One of the thing is like if you see there's a checkbox which says flush. Flush, what it does is that if there's any file existing in the cape artifact folder previously, it will delete that thing for you. Okay, so it will delete all the old thing in that target destination, and then it will save the new files. Okay, so you can either check that. So here it is not necessary because it's an empty folder, but you can select that. Now the thing is that let's click on the targets, double click to edit target. Let's click on that. uh, I think I think one is that this exe file is not properly expanded. So can you just because the target should be showing up there in the similar fashion that I showcased. uh, so this is fine. Target source is fine. The target source is fine. The C drive is fine actually because it will collect a lot of things from different other things. But it says target, double click to edit target. So can you click on that? I think that's just a label. So
Yes, I think it's just a label, like we need to
yeah,
set
it's just a label, but there are different entries below that which is not showing up right now in the GUI. So if you see that there are things which are hidden, so if you can maybe
restart it.
just resize that somehow.
Yeah, comes here.
Let's try that. Okay. Let me know once you are done and you can share your screen. Yeah. Okay. So now as you see, guys, we have, I hope I'm not mute. Yeah, I think it's all good. So thing is that now we can just select sans tries, and as I told, it will auto create the artifacts. And now if you little bit is, so can you just scroll down? There's one thing that I need to kind of showcase to you guys. Yeah. So if you see that there is a section below, like not scroll down, just keep this section up, like the sans tries is fine, where it was showing a sans tries, that is fine. Yeah, just keep like this. And now if you see in the below, there is something written current command line. It says /scape.exe, t source, c drive, t dest, d drive, this one, the one that is showing up over here, the target sans try. Yes, this one. So what this GUI is doing is that it is actually preparing a command line for you, the command line argument for you. And what it will do is that it prepares that, and either you can copy this line from here and execute directly on the command prompt where this cape.exe is existing. Okay, and what it will do is that if you just execute this command from the command line, it will start and go ahead with kind of collecting the artifacts that is written in the sans tries for you. Or else you can kind of click on the execute button and it will auto kind of execute that similar command. So thing is that why, again, where this thing will come in handy is that if you don't remember what the argument should go to the cape.exe, like the t source hyphen t test, you can quickly go get those by opening the GUI, selecting the target things, and it will kind of give you the command line for you guys. So you don't need to remember anything. It will, all the things will be kind of done by the cape, by the gcap. So you can either copy this command, there's a copy command button over there, or you can execute that directly from here. So if you execute this directly from here, so let's do that. Let's do that directly from here. Yep, click that. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, click OK. And now thing is that it has started.